Okay, so Nothing first time rolls out a huge update for Nothing Phone 2. Generally, we don't get to see such huge updates. We only see such big size updates while Android version change. But with this update, Nothing have bought a lot of fixes and some new add-ons. So in this video, we'll talk about every change, what you get to see on Nothing Phone 2 with this latest update of Nothing OS 2.5.2. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Here I have my Nothing Phone 2. First of all, let me show you the software information. If I go to About section, you can see this is the stable version of Nothing OS, which is 2.5.2, and we get 1st Jan 2024 security patch on this latest build. It's a stage rollout. Some users might have already received it and some might have not received it yet. So if you guys haven't received, you can wait for a day or two. You should soon see this update on your device. Here you can see I received it via OTA update, which is Nothing OS 2.5.2. And if you see the change logs, here's a lot of changes, improvements, bug fixes done, and the update size was 535 MB. And guys, before moving ahead, if you guys like a content and if you think it's useful for you guys, then make sure to smash that like button and also consider subscribing to our channel. So no doubt why it's a huge update. Soon you install this update, you can feel the smoothness, and the UI is now more responsive compared to the previous builds of Android 14. I only noticed slight lag soon my device was updated, but after that you can see the responsiveness. It's way improved compared to previous builds. We haven't performed any kind of benchmark testing. That will do it in our in-depth review video. So whatever questions you have, I'll be testing this device as my primary phone for 3-4 days and will drop a full in-depth review video. We'll start with what's new on this latest build. And guys, I've also taken screenshots before updating the device to see if there is any kind of difference or not. If you see the first add-on, which is new feature, which says get access to the glyph interface music visualization feature, some of you may have already discovered it. So if you guys remember, previously we had to save a contact to get that feature, but now by default that feature can be found in the quick setting tiles named as music visualization. For me it was already there because I had saved that contact and enabled on the previous build itself. And also a tab under glyph interface. So that adding of contact has been removed, which we used to see on Nothing Phone 1 and even on Nothing Phone 2. By default, you'll have music visualizer present on your device now. After that, Nothing also says they have added the support for switching ring modes in the quick setting tiles. I personally wasn't able to find it out here in the quick setting tiles, but if you guys are aware, do let me know where is that particular tile for switching ring modes. I did check few settings and other stuff, but wasn't able to discover it. So if I'm wrong about this feature, that also let me know in the comment section below. And another change which I'm not able to find out what exactly that means, which is again related to new add-on, which says now you can directly set your network via quick setting tiles without unlocking the device. So either it is like if you have 2 SIM cards, then only you can set the network, but I think this pop-up was already present, or I'm not sure whether they are talking about this thing or something else. If someone is aware, let us know in the comment section below. And after that, moving on to the improvements where they say refined visual effects on the lock screen interface. So for this, I don't have any kind of screen recording. Overall, as said, UI is way better compared to previous builds along with the transitions and animations. Then they have optimized the display icons of status bar. Left hand side, there's a screenshot. There's no noticeable change. Some optimizations might have done in the background. Then they have improved the success rate of fingerprint unlocking. Yes, this was a concern on the previous build. I mean to say the initial build, when fingerprint wasn't responding that well, but after the update of this build, the fingerprint unlocks device instantly. And later they have also improved the transition effect of the photos widget. So towards the left hand side, you can see that video that was taken before the update, and whenever we unlock the device, the transition was not that smooth. We instantly used to see the shifting in the photo, but now here we have a slide whenever we unlock the device. So let me show you, as you can see, and you can also compare it with the previous build. There's a lot of improvements done in the transition UI. Then the last one under improvements is improved stability in the call and connection quality. I never had any kind of issues related to calling or connectivity. So for me, it was good. If users had any issues, hopefully that have been taken care. Now talking about the bug fixes, here you can see the first bug fix says improved the gaming dashboard FPS to ensure it's regularly updated. Previous video of Nothing Phone 2 in which I did mention the FPS meter wasn't working properly. The FPS used to stuck at one point, but now that thing has been taken care and they have fixed that issue. Then they resolved the issue, causing the glyph to switch automatically turn on in certain scenarios. So this thing I've never observed. I always keep the glyph turned on. So might be a bug. Some users might have noticed who keeps the glyph light off. Then they resolved a case where volume would automatically change during flip to glyph. So this also I did test out before updating the device. Personally for me, there was no changes in the even after using this flip to glyph feature. And the next fix is again related to glyph, wherein it automatically turns off when not within the bedtime. I don't use bedtime mode, so if you guys use this mode, do let me know. And And the next issue is layer 2 resolved music playback so that it does not play during incoming calls in vibration mode. So this was an issue which I also recorded before updating the device, and now it has been taken care. Now there is no music playback while you have an incoming call in the vibration mode. Then they have refined the functionality to ensure double tapping the power button can launch the wallet. Google Wallet feature is not present in India, so we can't test it out. And at last resolve the problem, battery percentage to not appear in the status bar. Here you can see the screenshot. I never had any kind of issues. So guys, these were all the fixes, changes and new add-ons what they have done. Two things which I wasn't able to discover that you guys can mention me in the comment section below. As said, we'll come up with the full in-depth review, so stay tuned, and if you have any kind of questions, drop them below. We'll answer them in the review video. As of now, only this much in this video. I hope you guys gonna like the video. If you like the video, then do give us a thumbs up, and also if you're new to our channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.